Alright guys, happy Sunday. Wanted to do a quick video. We did work on the car yesterday. Do a quick video during halftime. We're watching that San Francisco game. But I did had the valve covers off. I reset the valves, half turn to preload. And I did clean up the rotor button on the wire wheel. Cleaned all that up. And then installed these new Summit wires. These are 8.5 millimeter silicone. It says they're ultra low ohm and made in USA. So got those installed and a fresh set of Autolite plugs. Did all that. I did fire the car off yesterday, but the video, I had a setting wrong and the video didn't record any sound. So I'm just going to start it again so you guys can hear it. But it looks like we did have an issue with one of the plug wires, or there was one spark plug that was might have been fouled or something. I was having a hard time measuring the resistance on one of the plugs. So now, and also yesterday when I ran the car, it was no longer popping out of the exhaust. So we must have had a small, a little misfire there, or bad plug. But anyway, I'm gonna cold start the car, let it idle for a second, give it a few revs, and show you that I think everything is all fixed. We'll be ready to go racing. So let's get this. I'm not even going to get in the car because my back is bothering me. Cold start. No ticking now. So we'll let it warm up for a second. I'll give it a quick couple revs to show you that it's not popping in the exhaust. Put some gas in it pretty soon. I got some on the shelf over there. No popping. A little bit that time. It's still cold. Well, there was a little bit that time, but I'm still going to consider that pretty good. It wasn't fully warmed up, so anyway, the valves sound quieter, and I think it's running pretty good now. All right, guys, thank you.